Hey you Platinum All-Stars, let's go over the math of recruiting 20 in 30. So in the last video I was saying, I was laying out our first 10 days and how that's going to be a lot of contacting, inviting, and presenting. So let's just take a look and see just how much action is really going to be required to recruit 20 and 30. So first one, let's just take a look and see typically how many people join. So in a presentation out of 10, a normal statistic is that 2 out of 10 people will join, okay? From just one presentation. So how many presentations then would you have to do? Well, in order to recruit 20, you are going to need to do 100 presentations. Now that's not just events, that's going to be including talking to people, on the phone, blitzing, conference calls, etc. So we can always count on people not showing though as well. So if you want to factor in no shows, you're going to have to up the amount of appointments you do. So how many appointments then, and we can round that off to 120. And how many calls? We can again round it to say 300 calls, so where you're actually talking to people. And then as the last one, well, how many people should be on my list, you're wondering? And that's about 500. And we talk about doing a hundreds list all the time in Team Freedom, and just it works in general. So, but I'm going to show you just the magic, I guess you could say, about how success loves speed. So I really want to enforce that because these numbers are actually going to change when you are looking to recruit very quickly. And you can actually double some of these amounts and actually take half away. So, how many will join? Well, now you're looking at 4 out of 10 because people can sense your energy, they feel the urgency, and that's the whole point as to why we're trying to recruit quickly, is to create that urgency. So how many presentations then? So you're probably looking then at only 60 to 70. You could see it had almost cut that number in half, and we doubled the amount that would join. How many appointments? Now you're only looking at 90 because more people, of course, are joining. Calls gets cut in half. You're looking at 150. And the last one, how many people then on your list? Maybe now it's only 300 plus. So you can see the difference. I hope you're catching on to this vision. Again, success loves speed. I'm so glad you guys are all in and that this is the group who is going to be recruiting 20 in 30. And just again, last couple words for you. Let's go.